Assalamu alaikum, pyare Huzoor.
Wa Islam.
My name is Atiyatul Aleem Bhatti and I'm a Waqfino. My question is, how do I know if I have good friends?
So Allah Ta'ala has given you wisdom. Allah Ta'ala says you use that. You can judge between bad and good. Can you judge what is bad and what is good? Can you judge what is rotten food and what is a good food? Yes or not?
Yes.
Okay. Then if you can judge, then you should know that who is your good friend by interacting with your friends. You would know that how does your friend talks. If they are talking in a way which is appropriate, which is according to the norms of the morals, then she is your good friend. If they talk in an inappropriate way, the morals are not good, their company is not good, they are mixing up too much with boys, they talk too much about so many worldly things, then that means they are not your good friends. And if you are in need of something, they help you, they are sincere with you, then they are your good friends. And there are so many other factors by which you can judge who is good and who is bad. So it just sounds just simple. Okay? Okay.
Jazakallah.